I had moved to Mexico a week ago with just a small bag, and I had spent some time in Cancun, but was now moving to another city. Hello everybody, I'm on my way out from Cancun. Today I'm going to Merida. I am homeless again. I have everything I own in this bag, and now I am on my way to the bus to go up to the northern part of Mexico and the Yucatan Peninsula. I'm trying to get some Mexican pesos from the ATMs, but it's strange because a lot of the ATMs only dispense US dollars because there are so many people from the US here. I took a local bus to the bus station in Cancun, Mexico. Just got out of the bus, a 20-minute ride to some kind of neighborhood here outside of Cancun. I'm here at the bus station now, and apparently this is one bus company that goes to a lot of destinations here in Mexico. Alright, apparently all the buses were full until 2:45. Now it's 12, so I have to wait 3 hours. Not sure why so many people want to take the bus to Merida. The bus was a bit expensive, 500 pesos expensive for Mexico. That's like 25 US dollars. Right, I'm waiting for the bus and I'm here at McDonald's. This is actually the first McDonald's in the world that I've been where you also get jalapenos and the pickles and some kind of sauces. So I'm gonna try it out.
We have a green sauce, orange sauce, and pickles. I'm gonna try out the green sauce first on the fries. Really spicy. And then I have the red sauce. Also really spicy.
Yes, the rest is the same as every other McDonald's in the world, but the spice, the sauces were really spicy. But a good compliment to to the rest that you can have at McDonald's. Now I'm gonna try again and see if I can get on the bus. Alright, on the bus on my way to Merida. I was taking the bus to the northern part of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. I was going to stay here for some time and try to work on my computer. I was going to meet somebody in Merida, somebody who could help me make money online through my computer. Hello, I arrived at the Merida bus station now. Now I have to go find the place where I'm gonna be staying tonight.
Muchas gracias.
Adios.
Adios.
I'm here on some road. I just got dropped off by the taxi. I'm looking for the place where I'm gonna live, but I don't know if it's the right intersection. I've been walking around here for a good 45 minutes and I can't find this place. Lost in Mexico. Well, I went to where I was supposed to go, but now I don't have any internet. And I thought I was in the right place, but apparently not. So I'm gonna see if I can find Wi-Fi somewhere. I've been speaking to this guy. I was borrowing Wi-Fi from a Mexican over there, but then he left from the house and the Wi-Fi stopped working after that. So I'm thinking that he turned off his router by the time I left. What am I doing? So it's in a completely different neighborhood. Completely wrong. But now the guy that is renting it out is gonna come and pick me up at this intersection where I first went to. 20 minutes later. Hello, I just got here now to the place where I'm staying. I'm really tired. I think I'm just gonna go to bed and show you what it looks like tomorrow. Good night.
Buenas noches.
The next day. I'm staying right now and it's nice. I had found a place where I would be staying for some time.
It was a few kilometers outside downtown Merida. It's a big, spread out city with 1.1 million people.
Yeah, the weather is perfect and it's February. It's always summer here in Mexico, that's what's perfect. Really nice. I want summer and sunshine all the time. Oh, so refreshing. Maybe it's time for some pool tricks. Pool tricks. One of the main reasons why I like traveling so much is because it feels like time slows down. Just 2 weeks ago I was in Greece, and then I was in Sweden, I was in Spain, and now I'm here, and it feels like I did so much in just such a short amount of time. And that's what I like. It's like, it feels like I have more time. I think I should jump from this wall here. That would be a good pool trick. If I had all the money in the world, I would do what I'm doing now, actually. I would keep recording videos, I would maybe buy a sailboat, I would find a pretty girl, and maybe buy, I don't know what I would buy.
I was gonna go into town and meet somebody that I had met a few days earlier in Cancun.
Uber is so good, they just come in like 2 minutes and they're right here. Got out of the Uber ride and I think I'm downtown Merida now. It's so strange. It's like, I don't know, it looks like everything is closed. It is Sunday today, but I got out of my Uber ride not too long ago and I met my friend. We are getting closer to downtown. City seems nice so far. It's the first time I'm seeing it. Look, it seems a bit more authentic than other places I've been to in Mexico. But I've only been to Cancun, and that's like the tourist place. We are here at the main square of Merida. Really nice. Lots of people, birds, and markets. 25 minutes or 30 minutes of walking around in Merida. And we've seen everything. Everything looks the same. It's nice, a bit different. Now what's next? What are we gonna do?
That's a good question. Good question.
Mérida is the capital and largest city in the state of Yucatán in Mexico, and it's also the largest city in all of the Yucatan Peninsula. The town of Mérida was founded by a Spanish explorer named Francisco De Montejo in 1542, but there were Mayans living on the Yucatan Peninsula as early as 2500 before Christ. There are some famous churches and history to the town, but I will show you more of that in another episode. The main religion of Mexico is Catholic Christianity.
Alright, I'm taking an Uber home to where I'm staying after a day walking around in Merida.
Hola, William.
Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Bien, bien, bien.
Es un cable.
Bebé,
Es un
bebé, nené, espejo,
espejo.
mirror.
Es un espejo.
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 Estadio.
Estadio.
Stadium. Estadio.
Estadio. It's still warm outside, even though it's winter time. It's but let's jump in. It's nice here, but like always, when I travel around to new places, it's always a bit lonely. I met this girl from 2 days ago, earlier today, but she's leaving tomorrow to another place. She was gonna keep traveling, and that's the thing when you meet people. I think when you travel, people always go to the next place. Here is the room where I'm staying. The bed actually was really nice when I slept there yesterday. Really soft and nice. And here is the bathroom. A nice place, I think. Now I'm making some tea, evening tea. My tea is ready. Very nice. I'm a little bit sick still, coughing a little bit. But now it's tea time.
If you enjoyed watching this video, please leave it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the icon in the down left corner or below this video. Thank you for watching and see you next time.